In this Omega review, I'm going to be showing you a cloud-based software that's going to allow you to get free traffic from Telegram in what they say is 10 seconds. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Omega, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And also hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we get started here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses for you, including past products. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says simply point and click for traffic, the world's first Telegram traffic app, and gets you unlimited free buyer traffic in 10 seconds. They say experience free traffic in seconds, dozens of happy beta testers, 100% automated. They say they've made $37,000 to $7,000 with this. I'm not sure about that, but get results. Get results. It's free. They say that they were able to get 14,000 free buyers, resulting in $37,000 here from this. Now, I'm not able to verify that at all, so this is taking their word on it. But that's what they're saying that they were able to make with this. Step one, purchase. Step two, relax. Enjoy up to 127 free visitors every 10 seconds. Now, it's a pretty big claims here. And let's take a look at what the software does. I'm going to show you a demo of it in a second here. Now, here's a bunch of sales page stuff, which is always fun. Let's go down here and see what you actually get here. So if you decide to purchase, you're going to get access to the software, to the step-by-step tutorials, the quick start guide, the checklist, customer Q&A call, guaranteed approval for the different offers, a bunch of different bonuses here for a low one-time price. They've got some add-ons that you can add on here. Super fast traffic and auto cache site. If you want to add that on, you can. Those are optional upgrades. Now, one thing I want to show you, if you are going to purchase this, these are things you should know. If you come to the sales page and you move your mouse away, you can get a discount. So you can get an even bigger discount on this. You can bring the price down $5. So if you're going to purchase, make sure that you do that. Okay, I'm going to go over and play you a quick demo video, and then I'll be back to show you what the upgrades are and the discounts.
Hey guys, welcome back. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the Telegram automation. In our last video we have already discussed how you can implement the group, bot, and how you can add that with our Omega software. Now in this video we are going to discuss how you can utilize the same. So here we go. First we will discuss about the replies. Suppose anyone is commenting or messaging anything on your group, then how you can reply automatically to them. So first of all, you have to click over here on new reply, and here you can find a section keyword. Suppose someone is commenting hello. Now in this response, you can add So this is how this automation for reply can be created. So if you save it, you can see the reply is set. So now whenever anyone will comment hello on your message of that particular group of yours, then auto-generated message of hi, how are you will be replied to them. Now the next interesting part, that is the replies in last 30 days. That means the particular reply, how many times the reply has been done to on that group by your bot will be shown over here. The number of times you can see. And from here you can choose the number of percentage. So I'm going to save it. And now if you want to add new reply, just click over here and add new keyword, and from here add new replies. Okay, so we have already discussed about the channel and groups. If you want to add more, you have to go over here and you have to search out for the group, or you can connect the group from here and you can connect channel from here. The same way we have added the last one. So if I click over here, you can see here is an option to be able to automate message on group or channel. You have to connect your Telegram group or channel to the bot. So if I click over here on bot, that means now it is available for bot operation. Otherwise, the bot operation may not be happened. And here also you can add a auto generated message. Suppose, as we have already shown you how you can add replies by having keyword. Now if there is no keyword found for that particular reply, then how you can reply that? If no particular keyword is found, then you can add just like this. So whenever anyone will message anything, and in response, if there is no keyword available for that particular message, then the reply will be sent to them. Now from here you can find the subscriber. From here you can find the history, the latest conversation. From here the added phone number will be available. And from here you can find the email address. And here you can find the audit logs. We have already discussed what is that, the reply statistics. Choose your group and find the replies. So guys, that is how interesting it is, and that is how you can reply to your group member, to your channel partner, whatever you say, without any difficulties. It will be as easy as we are showing over here. Thank you. See you on the next video.
Okay, so this is the first upgrade you're going to see. It says unlock unlimited buyer traffic for one click. So this unlocks unlimited, so it removes any restrictions that you have on the software. Now, it's normally $39, but here's the trick. And I want you to give me a like if you like the fact that I show you the discounts on these things. Move your mouse away on this page. It brings the price down $10. I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I want to make sure you guys know all the lowest prices here. So you can get it for $27 if you want to. The next upgrade you're going to see here, if you move your mouse away, you get a discount. You can bring the price down $200 to $67. This is a done for you version of this, so they're going to set it all up for you. Next one here, move your mouse away. You can bring the price down to $32. You can put this on autopilot with this upgrade. Next one, move your mouse away, bring the price down $200 to $67. This says add 10,000 buyer leads to your order and profit from them in 30 seconds, it says here. So that you can get 10,000 instant leads, it says with this one. Next one here, move your mouse away, you get a $10 discount. This is done for you money templates. For this, so done for your templates. Next one, move your mouse away, you can get it for $67. This is a complete money-making system done for your sales and profits. So it looks like an extra money-making system with this. Next one, move your mouse away, bring down the price to $37. You can get a bunch of different internet marketing secrets here. Looks like a coaching type program with this. The next one, you can get the price for, you can bring it down to $67. It says keep on, this is resell rights to this. So you can resell it and keep all the money. Next one here, you can bring the price down $10. You can scale it up here. Let's see here what this actually is. It looks like, I think you might be promoting like a high ticket program with this. Next one here, bring the price down $100 to $97. This is gonna get you traffic. They're gonna send you 500 to 2,000 clicks over and over. And the last one here says unlock the hidden feature. So it looks like it's a hidden feature that you can unlock here. Again, move your mouse away, bring the price down to $47. There are a lot of upgrades here. So you don't by any means need to get them all. Pick and choose which ones you want and forget the ones that you don't. But if you're going to get any of them, make sure you get that discount. Okay, so what do I like about Omega and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, these income claims and hypey stuff on the sales page, it's a common dislike that I have in these products. I'm unable to claim to be able to confirm any of these income claims. They're pretty far-fetched. So if you're going to purchase this, don't purchase it based upon those claims. Purchase it based upon what the software actually does. What do I like about this? If you're interested in doing Telegram marketing, this is something that I really haven't done before. If this is something that interests you and you want to add a new free traffic stream to your business for a very low price point, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Omega, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.